First night on the mountain. Spam.
Spam.
Mac and cheese. It is cold. But we're eating good. Morning.
Hey.
It rained most of the day yesterday and I think all night.
Oh, yes it did.
Everything is drenched. But I'm really needing a cup of coffee. So today we're gonna try these. I lock the bottle in. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna use this just to heat water. I think one will be enough. It says 6 ounces of hot water. If it's not strong enough, we'll add more. It doesn't seem like very much coffee. We're actually getting ready to break out all the cookware for a big breakfast. Bacon, eggs, biscuits.
Well, everybody else will get out of bed.
Yeah, that's not for a couple hours. Let's see if
Did you video my mules up there standing all nice this morning?
I didn't. Oh, it's coming. Oh, see, there it goes. Look. Oh, ow, ow. Ouch. Don't do that. That's a bad idea. Woo! It got me. You didn't tell me not to open the lid. Well, that was an adventure. I'm glad I had sweatpants on because that burned bad. I had lavender oil in the trailer. Creamer. Essentials here. Yeah, it's still burning on my leg. That was dumb.
What did you do?
I opened that thing when it was boiling and the water came out.
Yeah. Never open the lid.
Little coffee with your creamer. No, never. I realize that now. I didn't know it would come out. Wow. It really did burn me. Both legs. But I'll survive. Alright, let's see. How is... I don't really know how the coffee is because I got enough creamer. I should have let you test it first. I don't drink coffee straight. It's good. You want a cup?
Nope.
No? Okay. There you go. If you're going camping, these are pretty good. We're going to experiment this morning while we're waiting on everybody to get out of bed. I've been really intrigued by the freeze drying process. So I bought some freeze dried eggs and freeze dried milk from a local family back home. I don't have any clue really how to use these, but we're going to try it. The eggs have not been cooked. They freeze dried them just raw. I think you can freeze dry cooked eggs, but oh, wow. We've got the little oxygen absorber in here. Huh? Yeah, it's an oxygen absorber. It's exactly what it is. It even says so. All right. I don't know. We're just gonna see what we do. We're gonna put some water in here. Basically with freeze drying, you're just rehydrating, I guess, something. And in this case, rehydrating and cooking. I am not really measuring. Just do a couple to start with. A couple of spoons full. Okay, here. Let's look at this. I think it might need more eggs.
Hey, leave your comments below if you have a secret way of...
Yeah, if you do freeze drying, let's hear about it.
Get some recipes? Yeah, let's hear about it.
Case, you want to stir that for me? Don't splash it out.
Yeah.
I mean, it smells like eggs.
You get to try them first. Not me. I ain't trying them first.
All right, let me see. I think they're done. Who's gonna be the guinea pig? Or me? Give your dad a bite.
Dad. It's always Dad.
Here's a spoon.
So we'd like Grandpa to try it.
All right, let's see what he says. Freeze-dried eggs. No salt or pepper or butter. There's just straight with water right now.
Pretty good. I can
No
get down where I can
cheese.
see in there. Hey. Okay. Here we go. I could live on it.
All right,
There
it's a
you
go. All right.
Oh, come here,
So
let me
the-
have a bite of
The
that.
egg. Oh wow.
Yeah,
The
let's
eggs
do
actually
one.
are good.
No.
I
Get me one.
I haven't
Just let me have
put
a
anything in them
taste.
like
Just
butter,
let me have
salt,
a
pepper,
piece of that
cheese,
one.
or anything, but
My wife doesn't get us any
they're pretty good.
bananas or
No, I don't buy honey buns.
or-
Okay, let's try the milk.
Huh?
They're having their own conversation over there.
Hey, that's good,
Again, I
Chris.
don't know what the ratio is on this, but we'll see. It might be skim, it might be whole. We'll see. It's really flaky. See there? Oh yeah. Add some water in there. Where's that? Let me have that spoon over there.
That was mine.
I don't care. Yeah, I'll use the other end of the spoon. Stir it up. I don't really like milk. I drink almond milk. I don't drink. I use almond milk for myself if I'm going to use milk. But I was thinking that this might be good for cooking,
How many grandmas die though?
or the kids may, I don't know. They wanted to bring cereal, but I had no way to haul milk.
Come through with the hair.
We'll see. It's not really breaking up.
Get out of it.
Let me show you. It's still kind of, I don't know, maybe I need a whisk for this or something, because these chunks are not exactly dissolving very quickly. Yeah. I'm not going to be able to drink that if it doesn't dissolve.
She's some of the stuff she bought. She's some of the sugar she bought.
There it goes. I think the ticket here might be a whisk,
Let me have some more.
because this
Got hundreds of those.
Okay, it's your turn.
this is a
Go get me.
kind of clumpy. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit without any clumps. Tastes like milk.
Well, what's it supposed to take like?
Well, it
strawberry
does. It's
soda
just
pop?
it's just so clumpy. I mean, I need something. If you could get rid of the clumps, this would be amazing. If you wanted milk, you're not gonna see me just sitting here drinking it, but I would cook with it, macaroni and cheese, or put it in potatoes or something, whatever. That's definitely probably skim.
Let's do a freeze-dried honey bun. Something that's good with sugar in it, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
That'd be interesting.
Okay, so I would bring these back to the
Chocolate chip
mountain.
Cookies.
Oh, there's a whisk. Okay, let me see. She got it.
Freeze-dried chocolate chip cookies.
This is the perfect size too. This will probably, yeah, this is breaking this is what you need. You need a whisk if you're gonna do the milk.
Is she
Getting
up?
those clumps dissolved.
She's not up yet?
Honey, it's there you go. Can you see? That's it. Okay, there. So that's probably like 2%. I'm thinking we're kind of weak on our milk here. All right, you can set it there. The whisk is the ticket. Let me try it again. You want to try it? You're a milk lover. That boy drinks milk.
It's actually good, cuz.
When did you try it?
He didn't. You want it with your honey bun? He's got a honey bun, a Monster, a protein bar.
We're on the mountain.
It'll pass the test for the mountain. I'm not going to probably,
and honey.
break it out every day at home. But if you are trying to store up some food just to have on hand in case of whatever, that would be worth having in your pantry. Freeze-dried milk and freeze-dried eggs. I need a freeze dryer. Let's
Okay.
I don't want you to
Yeah,
lose
they're.
no more hair.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Yeah, they're bubbling out.
I'm gonna grab on mine. Don't touch that metal.